understanding the featured section that is there on your LinkedIn profile. So today we are focusing on one of the most important parts of your LinkedIn profile, and that is the featured section. So this is your showcase, your portfolio right on LinkedIn. Let's optimize it with the help of ChatGPT to make sure it grabs the needed attention that you want on your profile. So the featured section is where you can directly showcase your achievements, articles, projects, and more. So it's the first thing that people see under your intro, making it essential to curate it extremely carefully. Depending on what your objective is, what you want to get from LinkedIn, that is how your featured section should be aligned to meeting your goal or the objective that you have. Selecting what to feature. So first, you need to decide on what to feature. Now this could be a mix of posts, articles you have written, or any of the key projects that you want to. So let's list out the potential items. We use ChatGPT once again for this. Moving on to the featured section. We start with preparing a list of potential items. Now that's how your featured section looks like. Mine does not look really well because my profile is yet to be optimized at the time of creating this video. So the potential items could be a post, could be a newsletter, could be an article, could be a link that has videos, articles, and websites, could be a media, and could be something else, or some kind of content from your current profile. Now, moving on to if I talk about posts, I need to go back and see what posts do I have on LinkedIn that I would want to feature. Video, so maybe one of my YouTube videos that I would want to feature. So I go to my YouTube videos, look for one that I would want to feature on my LinkedIn profile. So that's my YouTube channel. From here, I will pick up one of the videos that I might want to feature. Let's say I want to feature how to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant. Okay, so here it is. I will delete all the extra things that have come up in addition to the headline of the video. Let's delete that. A lot of things have come up. Okay, so we delete all of these. Here is my video title. An article that I might want to feature. So I'll go back to LinkedIn once again. My website is www.sawankumar.com. Media, I'll remove it for now. Content or profile, I'll remove it for now. Now for articles, I'll go to my LinkedIn once again and I'll see what recent articles have I posted. So I click on the articles, and these are the 2 articles that I recently posted. So this is one. And then I have the second article that I have posted. Newsletters, since I haven't posted any, I remove the newsletter part. That's the first article. And then we have the second article. Overcoming the top 10 business objections, blah, blah, blah. So that's some of the articles, then the video, the website, and maybe one of the posts that I might want to feature. So let's say I want to feature this particular post. That's a poll on what is the top factor that attracts you to a new job opportunity. Videos, I might look at some of the videos that I have published on LinkedIn in the past and any one of those that I might want to feature. Why are you not using marketing automation? 6 reasons why you are not using marketing automation is one of the videos that I might want to feature. So I come back, I select media, and I give the topic of 6 reasons why you're not using marketing automation yet. Now that I have prepared a list of potential items that I might want to feature on my LinkedIn profile, I ask ChatGPT on what do I do next. So the above are some of the items in my LinkedIn profile that I can possibly add to my features section. Which of these items best describe my expertise as a marketing manager? So let me ask them, which of these best describe my expertise as a marketing manager? Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. The featured section on your LinkedIn profile is a great place to showcase specific content that highlights your expertise and achievements. Considering the items you have listed, here's how each one could potentially reflect your post. On what is the top factor that attracts you to a new job journey? Relevance. This post could demonstrate your engagement with the audience and interest in understanding what drives people and so on. Article, what is the relevance? Video, again, what is the relevance? Website, what is the relevance? Media, what is the relevance? Now, suggested focus on featured section given your role as a marketing manager. Video on ChatGPT could be the first one, website could be the second one, media on marketing automation could be the third one, and articles on IT staffing could be the fourth one. But let's again ask ChatGPT and arrange the order with the most impactful first to the least one at the end. And ChatGPT arranges in an order that it considers to be the most suitable order for my profile. Now I can obviously do tweaks, make changes, and if I think something else is more suitable than what ChatGPT suggested, I can always do that. So that's the order that ChatGPT is suggesting to put up my features. Now that I have this list, how exactly do I add all of these to my features section? So for that, I go back to my profile. Come to the featured section, click on that plus sign, and the first topic that is, I actually should be adding that the last, because that would be if I added the last, it would be the first one. So I should be doing it in the reverse order. But in this case, I'm doing it in the order that ChatGPT suggested. But that would mean the first one that I upload would go to the last. So I copy the link to the post, go back here, click on add a post, look for the post that I want to feature. And to feature it, I need to click on this feature button that you see on the left. I need to click on that. Yeah, this is the video that I want to feature. But instead of clicking on the video, I should have clicked on the featured section. So that you need to keep in mind, that you do not click on the video, rather click on that feature button that is there on the left. So let's do this again. I go back to the featured section. And this time I won't scroll back down to the bottom. Rather, I will choose any one of the video that I think is okay and feature it and move on to the next thing. Yeah, so this one. So I'm clicking on featuring, and now this got featured. Next is my website. I go back. So this one you will see right here. Add a link. I click www.sawankumar.com. I click on add. I have the option to add a title and a description along with a thumbnail image of my website. Now what I do is I ask ChatGPT to add a teaser content. So write a compelling teaser description for my website and a title for my website to put on my LinkedIn featured section. Here, ChatGPT gives me the description and the title that I can use. I can obviously tweak it and make it more optimized for my purposes, but yeah, here it is. That's the description, and I will be needing a thumbnail, which I'll update later, but yeah, you can upload the thumbnail from here. So done with adding the website. Similarly, you can go back and add the media and the article and so on. Let's keep doing it. Add an article. Media is already done, so we add these two articles, article 1 and then the article 2. So both the articles are featured now. Now the last thing that I need to feature is the post. That was a poll. So let's say I choose this one. Again, I did not click on the poll, rather I need to click on the featured button that's there on the left. Let's say I want to feature this one. Okay, so here we have our featured section ready. It obviously has to look better with the kind of images and the thumbnails that are being displayed, and it should be looking good. It should be looking attractive, so that we can tweak and make changes and make it all look good. Awesome. So here we just updated the featured section, and the next topic that we will be moving to is understanding endorsements in the next video.